I'm Jane Esselstyn.
And I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And we're continuing with the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook recipes for the preventing and reversing heart disease, obviously.
But today, it's in Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease.
The original book.
A really old salsa that I love because it is the simplest thing ever. It takes 2 minutes. It's the best
black bean salsa. Here, you read it.
the best black bean salsa.
And it's page 161 if you're following along. It is so easy. It's kind of a crime to call it a recipe, but here we go.
So, 1 can of black beans that you just rinse and then put in a pot. In
One jar
a bowl.
of salsa.
1 jar of salsa.
We like Green Mountain Gringo, mild. Put in whatever kind you like. And
then tons of cilantro. The more the better. I mean, I just would go on the whole bunch. Just lots of cilantro.
Oh, I didn't zest it.
That's okay. Doesn't matter. You can zest half. You know, you do that. I'll zest. But right. I never, never, ever use a lime or a lemon without taking its zest.
Well,
too. Don't you think?
No, you're a zesty gal. You can do that all you want. Sometimes a recipe does not need the zest. All right, you want all this?
All of that lime.
Well, the recipe said half of a lime, but we're going to go with the whole lime and the zest because the acid queen says so.
And maybe a little more cilantro.
Oh!
Oh!
Yeah. Seasoned. Okay, is that it?
That's it. That's it.
All right.
And now, I'll tell you, this is so good, and you put it out with crackers or vegetables,
so we have
and it will vanish.
We have some Mary's Gone crackers and some cucumbers and some radish. What do you want to try it with?
No, wait a minute. So I have to tell you, because one time we made this and we had guests who didn't come. And so I had this big thing. Yeah, they didn't come. And so I had it left over, and I put it on top of our rice, and it was delicious.
Cold?
No, hot. Hot.
Okay, we're going to try it. I'm going to try it with a cucumber. Want to try it with the cracker cucumber?
I'll try it with a radish.
Okay.
And
well, great. It tastes like the topping we put on our black beans and rice. Oh.
Good.
What are you
Easy.
add? What
Really
do you add to your salsa? Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.